Okay. Good morning and please welcome to this channel where I analyze all Soxel. Is it breaking on Google? Sorry, there are some alarms set and triggering today. Google, that looks good. Building high lows, breaking yesterday's highs. Mine is coming in. It's a good buy. For now, got stopped out 2 days ago. Today looks like it might be the day. Or the other triggers, Google and Soxel. Yeah, Soxel, which broke out this flat base that we have here. Not much consolidation on the right hand side, but the breakout is a breakout. The theme is nice, and yeah, we could be seeing more upside. Not taking it, my positions are real. MU, which is doing very nice job. After yesterday, Cypher consolidating. Very good move yesterday. Joby Gold, which I'm still holding. AA, beautiful third day move for, although I already triggered some, and LTN, which is, yeah, good. The leaders, what are the leaders doing? Plantier. So, Apple, Google. Oof, Google. It's looking really nice. This day was a mess, and it got, the stock got a little bit messed up, but it's such a small risk, 1.4% risk. Uh, I'm just having a look at my open risk. If I can purchase it. Another alarm, Roku. Nah, I don't like Roku. Investment to me right now is by far Google. Hey, Google. It's already going. Google. If it doesn't work, it doesn't work, but the risk is so small. Yeah. Already fully invested. I cannot open more risk without selling more stuff. And I don't want to sell anything else. It's just very good. Cool. Let's send it to Tuesday newsletter. Axon Emmy. Wow, Emmy. Super strong. This one. Leo. Basic materials, minerals, third day move. Well done. CCJ, AMD. Oof. AMD. ELA. Damn, that's ugly. Here you go. VH. It's GH. Oh, yeah, this diagnostic thing. Uh, it could work. I'm just, yeah, the theme has been going. Yeah, it could go. Tuesday newsletter. It's good for now. The volume, yeah, it's coming in. That could work. I'm just not These are my positions. I'm just not buying it. But the setup is good. Apple, this is. We don't want to see that. At the same time, SPY is consolidating in a super, right? It's super good also. Yeah, yeah. QQQ, SPY. Hmm. Yeah, we might be approaching a big breakout and another leg up from the market. SLB. This SLB keeps making going higher. Cool. Did this go even more parabolic? That's the question. Like, can this thing go even further? That's, yeah, I wouldn't. 19. Yeah, it's a little bit extended for me, but that's if we squeeze, if we can squeeze this thing up, yeah, that could be, that could work. That actually could work. And we squeeze like crazy. Okay, going back to the scans. So, IPT hood, CCL, C gold is doing a nice job. It's just, it's going so much slower than silver. But that's life. That's what I purchase. That's what I get. That's what I get. Schwab. Schwab. Huge base on Schwab, huh? For BM. TGB. Very nice. Days on DIA. VTB. eBay keeps working. Folks, so Volker. Ah, yeah, not much. 25. Yeah, I've seen them all. Just gonna check. Real. I really would like to get stopped out on this one because it's just. I think it's a mistake. We'll see. Leaders, not the leaders. I'm looking for the strong stocks. Strong stocks. The strong list. Oh, Roblox. Are we gonna sort something here? It's been going down for the 45% down move. Nah, selling now. It's just, yeah, I think it's a little bit crazy. So much standard to the downside. Liar. I do. Cheaper. Oh, wow. You want to go even higher? Jesus Christ, that's to me, it's just, yeah, how much further can it go? Can it go? To me, that was the best, I think. And then you could add some more here, but here it could work. It's just, yeah, I just feel like we're extended now at this point. But it could, yeah, it could well work. Oh, GH for anyone that was fast. Oh, this is the one I mentioned earlier. Yeah, that ended up working. If you were ready to buy when we mention it, around, I would say 100 and 413, then yeah, it worked. GB failing. I'm just not seeing anything really outstanding. Mhm. Let's Google. Ooh. Yeah, this is the problem. It just got completely smacked. Thanks God I didn't buy it. Okay, again. Just this day, but also the next day. That's ugly. Yeah, that's the second time Google has done me dirty. Because it's been twice. I didn't buy it this time, but I will put it into like, I will only get interested if by the end of the day, we close on a big candle, and particularly not on this, well, yeah, on that flat base. And that would be the only time I would be like kind of interested. If not, you know, twice is enough. Lara, yeah, but that was by day. Whew. Yeah, I think we should be in a wait and watch mode, just because the market seems to be, taking its time. There we go. Yeah, to me, this is just a little bit too extended, you know. Or you can add if you were here, but again, you will have stopping out here. Yeah, but here for an ad spot, yeah, unless you give it room, you can get stopped out. Sure. GH is store. Okay, let's get back to the scans. QQQ. My scan. Okay. Nice. Mhm. Okay. Woo. 70K. Really? Computer systems. Yeah. It's been working very nice. Wow. Computer system. Healthcare is breaking out today. Oh, wow. Healthcare is breaking out. Okay. XLB. Come on. Tuesday. Oh, wow. Yeah. That's very nice breakout, but that's working. And Teva. Okay, it's a drag day. Dayla. Special chemical. Yeah. Wow. No, I don't know if this is going to be just a one day thing. Do you want to be go, 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 go? Yeah. We'll have to wait for Google. SLB going also. Oh my God. Whew. Yeah. It's a drag day and semi day. Drag day and semi day. Another drag lily, but it's already broken down. Computer system, super strong group. The computer system, special retail chemical, and all the drag. Wow. Hmm. Biotech, healthcare, overall healthcare, yes, breaking out also. This IXJ. I just don't know, if is this going to be a multi-day runner? Is it going to be just one day? Look at the first leg. Uh, you and I on something like this. It's just poor action on the first leg. Yeah, no, I wouldn't be buying this. And if I'm wrong, again, we'll have more chances to get involved. It's yeah. I will rather wait. I will rather wait. Recently, okay. Ah, I was here. Look at this arrow. It means if it's below, it's because I think it was a very good setup. But I was, the open risk was too much, so I didn't take it. That's the blue arrow. Damn. Pink arrow means I took it. I took the trade. XLB, look at this. This is just barcode all over the place. And just, yeah. Yeah, ALB. Hmm. Now is You regret not having taken the H. It's probably alongside Tiva. I will say they're the best. I will say they're the best. SQM. The gap up is not too much, but yeah, I don't know. It's just the first leg so choppy. I mean, not so choppy as XLY, but still, it's just ugly. Ugly for a price action. So, yeah, I'll rather wait. I'll rather wait. Consumer cyclical. It's just, yeah, I don't like the first legs. Is it one or two? Alone, there's something ugly about this theme we are having today breaking out. 54. Is there something in the 9 million scan? Whoa! Silver keeps pushing. Nvidia, what are you doing? Phew, so. It's just no consolidation here at all. It's just, just why not a breakout? Breakout. It's a flat base, so to me, I will have already taken it here. That was also very nice. Yeah, that will be again blue arrow means it's a very good setup, but either my open risk is too much or I'm fully invested. In this case, my open risk is too much. But that is again a breakout of these flat base, which are the best in my opinion. It's just my view. It's, we can publish it also. So. Roku. Do you want Roku? It's the most impressive. This is I'm not very good with sorting. That's why, I was thinking maybe that's a good short, but I will straight away will have covered this. Oh, I think I don't know why. I just feel like we might enter a crazy, rally in some of these. Again, and then you see this and you're like, well, you might have to be careful and protective also of your profits. Can you? That's my semi edition. Okay, one more. Nvidia, MU. Oh, nice. SPY also. Teva. No, I wouldn't buy Teva. You know, you either bought it here or even here, on the breakout of this previous day breakout, or here. It has already offered one. We could argue even two, but you might have been stopped out of the audition here. Three, four at spots, five at. I don't know. How many. Yeah, how far can it go? Once we have had that WDC computer system. Oh wow! Well, so yeah, it's been holding. Look at that. Freaking building high lows. That was the. Do I have the arrow here? No. It's bad. Oh, you kidding me? Oh, the energy. We need the energy. That's a breakout. It's a sector. We need energy. Yeah, with the narrative. That could be, will that be something I'll buy? I'm just looking at the first leg. Uh, long consolidation, yeah, but there was, this looks like a tiny first leg, let's say. But yeah, that's a breakout. It's not an A plus. For me, it won't be an A plus setup, but that's a breakout. And in this market, well, my work, we're all diamond hands. In this kind of markets, we're all diamond hands. Velo. Lodging. Lodging. Suck. HOT, Wincy. It's his household personal product. Again, first leg, up, down, up, down. Keep barcode here. Uh, ugly, ugly. Hmm. It's a breakout. I'm just, yeah. Oh, I cannot with USD. Okay, I'm not seeing anything other than Soxo. I would call Soxo globally seen. Oh, okay. Lily recovering healthcare. Okay. And Nvidia. So we can have a look. I'm gonna just have a look at the positions. Great Emu, Cypher not doing much. But they are good. These are trades from Cypher and Joby are trades from the weekly, which I thought, they were building high lows and then hopefully they go for this week. Same for Jovi. Very nice weekly formation, which hopefully, breaks out this week. If not, I will hold because my stop is well below this area. Then we have gold, which has been super slow in contrast with silver. It's been the lagger, AA, but I've already sold some interest in yesterday, and LTM. Well, it just seemed, DIA working and the airline, so I just want to get involved, and I thought the LTM was the best. And that's it for me. If you happen to have, well, I don't know if we can we go through the leaders? Well, yeah, I'll go through the leaders. I'll go through the leaders. Google, 30, 30, some MU, low. CCJ, in MU, I think I got the wrong, because I bought it here. That was my stop. But really, really, it should have been bought here. Once it closes like this, that was the buy day. And the flat base breakout, it happened on that Friday. The late buy. Yep. Yeah, well, yeah, it's working. It's like the leader in the semis now. Um, okay, moving on. And PARC, RKLB is taking its time, but it's building high lows. STX, what is STX? Computer system. Eh? Yeah, it's breaking up. It's just ugly. I wouldn't take it. No, I wouldn't take it. Ugly. SNDK was a place to be. As once it took, these 2 days, well, after the gap up, really small risk, and yeah, it's life. Life is life. Emil, do you want to go Super Saiyan? Come on, do it. Come on. Go Super Saiyan, please. And again, the best flat base breakout in MU. This is what it looks like a good first leg. So that's a good first leg, or even 2 legs, but anyway. Long consolidation, building high lows, this BCP from Binerbini, boom. Another inside day, and you could have both here or here. And you'll be riding one of the best stocks of the market. Mhm. Oh my God. Look at that. If you held through the 50s, but that's difficult. Holding through the 50. GLD. It's to do for now, at least. I set an alarms, some alarms for in case stocks go. Some stocks of my choice go. I'm looking at Baidu, hopefully breaking out this previous high. It looks extended. It looks like, again, we've got the flat base. We've got the flat base, and that's what Baba did. Ugly, I know, ugly move till this point, but now it's the one that looks the best. And Baba, last time it went, it did something similar. What was it? Here, I think. Yeah, Baba Heya. And it went. Okay. Well, that's the end for me. Thanks for watching. If you were here, and I'll be here tomorrow. I'll also be uploading on Twitter, my account, um, any A plus setups, or my positions, basically, that I see in case there's something that triggers along the day.